So one thing about today's episode, if you start making your tea this way, there is no going back. And we are using some fresh ginger to make some fresh ginger tea, and we are also using fresh milk. We also have some sugar, some tea leaves of course, and my water. And the ratio of water to milk is 1:1. But you can also feel free to add them how you like them. And without further ado, let's get started. I'll first start by adding my water, then I'm going to grate my ginger. For the ginger, you can add as much or as little as I prefer, but I prefer the more the better. So I'm going to grate it in here. Then I'm also going to let this come to a boil together with the water. This has been boiling for about 2 minutes, and you should let it boil for some time so that you can allow the ginger and the water to blend in together. Then I'm also going to add in my tea leaves. One thing you should know is that when you add the milk before the ginger, your tea is definitely going to go bad. Maziwa itaachana ikuwe kama maziwa mala, and that's not what you want. So always remember the order in which you should add your ingredients. I'm also going to let this boil for about 1 more minute so that my tea leaves and my ginger and my water can blend in. About 2 more minutes later, I'm going to go in with my milk. And if at all you're going to be using the cow milk, you definitely have to boil your milk first. But I'm using the packet milk, that doesn't need boiling. Then I'm going to wait for it to boil, then I'll be back. So once your tea starts boiling, that doesn't mean that it is ready. Just give it a little bit more time, like 3 to 5 more minutes as it boils, and you're going to thank me later. You're going to notice a difference in the final taste. So I'm going to let this continue boiling for about 3 more minutes. Then our tea is going to be ready. Then it's at this point that I like adding in my sugar, or each and every person can add their sugar as they serve their tea, but I like adding it at this point because you're going to use slightly less sugar. Then I'm going to let this continue cooking for about 1 more minute, then our tea is going to be ready. And it was that simple. So now this is ready, and let's proceed to the other side for serving tasty. Wow, you can taste the ginger as it goes down the throat, and as I earlier mentioned, I like the more the ginger the better because you actually feel it going down your chest. This is so legit. So I hope you try out this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.